morning everyone and welcome to the digital classes by St. Paul's, and this is Komal Pandey to teach you moral science of class first. And before starting your classes for moral science, I just want to introduce you to your moral science book. Which one is your moral science book? This Inspiring Souls. This Inspiring Souls is your moral science book published by Ace Visions. And in this book, your first chapter is To God with Love. In this chapter, we will talk about the prayers, because whenever we talk to God, we always used to do prayer. Through our prayers, we talk to God for thanking Him, for asking Him, for sharing anything with Him. We used to take prayers. So in this chapter, our first prayer is this: God, we thank you for the night and for the pleasant morning light. Thank you for the world as lovely can be. You made the mountains and the deep blue sea. You gave us grass and tall green trees, beautiful flowers and buzzing bees. So, in this prayer, we are talking about thanking, how we can thank to God. God has created the whole world. God has made you. God has made me. So, we should be thankful to God. So, in this prayer, we are thanking to God. We are saying, thank you God for God. We thank you God. We are thanking you for the night. In the night, we sleep properly. In the night, we sleep without any tension, without any problems. So, for the night, God, thank you so much. Then, and for the pleasant morning light. In the morning time, we are having the sunrise. After the sunrise, we are having the sun's bright light. So, for that light, thank you God. Because God is giving us that sunlight. So, here, pleasant morning light. This word is not pleasant, it's pleasant. Pleasant morning light. So, pleasant morning light means, pleasant means very good, very beautiful, very enchanting. Enchanting means the thing which make you impressed. So, it is very good morning light which you had given us. For that, thank you so much. Then, thank you for the world as lovely can be. For the world, in this world, you had given us the birth. We have taken a birth in this world. You have sent us in this world for this beautiful world. Thank you so much. Because it is very lovely. It is very good. It is very beautiful. Thank you. You made the mountains and the deep blue sea. You made the mountains. Who has made the mountains? Not man. God has made the mountains. So, for making those mountains, those beautiful mountains, thank you God. Then, the deep blue sea. What do you mean by deep? Deep means very downwards. Very, the sea, sea is the water body. What its color? Blue. But that sea, when you go inside it, it is very down. So, for that, deep blue sea, which is having a big area underwater. So, that is deep. So, who has created that deep blue sea? God. So, you have made it. You have made the mountains and you have made the deep blue sea, and for that, thank you so much. Then, you gave us grass and tall green trees. Obviously, God has made this world. So, in this world, God has created the mountains also. God has made the deep blue sea also. And similarly, God has made the grass also and the trees also. The small plants also and the big trees also. These all are created by God. So, for that, thank you so much. Then, beautiful flowers and buzzing bees. Beautiful flowers. You can see very well, and you know the flowers names also. Many flowers are there in this world. So who have made those flowers? God has made those flowers, because plants are created by God. And where the flowers come from? Only on the plants. So you have given us the beautiful flowers, and obviously the buzzing bees. Buzzing means the sound created by the consistent flapping of the wings. When a bee flaps its wings with a consistent manner and it creates a sound, that sound is known as buzz. And when the bees are consistent creating that sound, that's why those bees are known as buzzing bees, because these bees are creating that buzzing sound. So the flowers are having those buzzing bees also. God help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good, in all we do, in all we say, to grow more loving every day. This is your morning prayer, and in this morning prayer, first of all, you were thanking to God, and now you are praying, you are asking to God that God help us to do the things we should, means God, the things we should do, whatever the things are that we should do, that are the good things, just help us to do the things to do. Like if we want to help anyone, help us to be like that only. Help us to be good to others. Then to be to others kind and good. Similarly, help us to be good. To be good means, to be kind and good means that if someone needs help, we should help them. If someone needs care, we should care them. If someone needs respect, we should respect them. These all are the things which are good, and good activities always impress others. So we are asking to God that help us to be good and kind to others. Then in all we do, whatever the things, whichever we are doing, and in all we say, whatever the speeches which we are speaking. Speeches means the words or the sentences which we are speaking. So in all the things which we are doing, and in all the things which we are saying, which we are speaking, in those to grow more loving every day. So that every day means per day, daily we grow more effective, means more loving. Means if you are talking to someone, you should never get angry. So you are asking to God that make us so much loving, so much caring to others, that we should improve ourselves daily with everyday manner, so that we should not harm anyone, we should not disobey anyone, or we should be honest, we should be kind, we should be loving, and we should be good to others. So make us like this only. So this was your morning prayer that you should do in the morning after taking bath, after doing your routine activities in the morning. And now we will talk about the prayer before meals. If we are having food, it is also a gift of God. So if you are taking your meal, if you are taking your food, you should be thankful to God. And before having your meal, before eating the food, you should pray before meal. That we will discuss now.